guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's Sunday morning, and I have had a bunch of questions about the luggage in the back of my car, and also some inquiries as into what the heck I carry in my bug for tools, like emergency tool bag. So we're gonna go ahead and cover that today. Oh, by the way, this is Jason with JWClassicVW, if you didn't know already. And we talk about Volkswagen stuff here, more specifically my 1956 oval window ragtop Goose. And she is right there. Say hi, Goose. Hey, what's going on, guys, out there in YouTube land? All right. So, sorry, not trying to make you dizzy. La-dee-dee. Let's get this back over here. Okay. So I thought that I would just kind of like show you guys what's going on in here. I just pulled this right out of the car, so you're gonna see all the extra crap tools that I have with me that probably I don't need to have with me, but I'll show you what I got anyway. And I'll show you real quick what's inside of the luggage. And let's start there. We'll get to the tool bag here in a second. Well, what's inside here? Some of you may have heard already me kind of explain what my plan is with the luggage here. And one of these is going to become a Bluetooth speaker box for my Volkswagen Beetle. Right now, it's just storage for like car shows. I keep like, you know, because the weather, you never know. I've gone out to so many car shows. I was wondering where this stuff was. So many car shows where I've ended up taking off like an outer layer. And here it is. And oh, this is from a car show. A t-shirt. I was looking for this too. Dang it. Man, you see what happens when you put stuff in your car and you never forget about it? This is from the Monumental Car Show that we have down here in the Kemah area. This is actually over near Seabrook where they have this one. And this year, actually not this year, but in 2020, I think it's going to be downtown. So that's pretty cool. Shout out to the Bay Area guys. Monumental Car Show. Cool. Yeah, that was a great car show. Good times. So what is this one for? I really just keep like cleaning stuff in here. So yeah, like a quick detailer and some Windex and, you know, stuff to paper towels to clean with. Let's stick all this stuff back in here for now. And I had to fix this luggage because it actually broke. And this is a 50s era luggage from what I was told. I don't know if that's true or not, but it looks cool. One of the clasps on here broke. This one over here. So I'm going to see if I can fix that. I don't know if we'll be able to or not, but we'll see. This blue one was really cool. And you can see it's got one of my channel stickers on there. Hey guys, if you're interested in a channel sticker, hit me up in the comments below or join the Facebook group. That's usually what the requirement is. Join the Facebook group and hit me up with a PM with your address and I'll send you a channel sticker. So what I have in here, not a whole lot of other stuff. It's just more cleaning stuff, a blanket, and that smell, that old smell, that's in there. This is the one I think I'm going to turn into the Bluetooth speaker box. And that should be really cool because I don't ever plan on adding an actual speaker or stereo to Goose. So let's get the tool bag up here and take a look at that. This was in there, actually sitting on top of the tool bag, so I always keep that with me. You guys have probably seen this in a previous video. I just use it to check temperatures on Goose. I have a video where I showed all the temperatures when I first got her back in the car. You can check that up here if you want to look at that video. So let's set that down. And here is the tool bag. Let's look at all the extra crap that I have in my tool bag that I probably don't need. Let's may get you guys a little bit closer. Can you see okay from where you're at? Yeah, I guess you can see. I'll bring it over once I get everything out. So first off, let's just get everything out of here because it's a ton of stuff. And I kind of live by that philosophy of you never know what you're gonna need. So I carry a little bit of everything. Do 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 do. And I'll kind of point out what my favorite tools are in here too, because there's some that I definitely use more than others. Yeah, I got lots of needle nose in here, don't I? I got a few different pairs of needle nose. Little hammer. 7/8, 12 mil. This one's for lines. I use this on the A&M fittings. Trash. Some fuel hose, because you never know. And I probably have a bunch of stuff I really don't need in here. Like, I just bought this thing for reaming stuff out, and I don't know why I put that in there, but yeah, that was in there. A little line cutter. I think I've kept that in there so I wouldn't lose it. Yeah. That's what the plan was there. You can never go wrong with a crescent wrench. This is for cleaning off fiber. You know, like fiber for your house. That's more of my job. I don't know why I had that in there. This is a cam wrench. This is part of my job too. If you guys didn't know, I'm in the telecommunications industry. That's what I do. So yeah, I have some of that stuff in there. That is a 20 mil deep well socket. This is an 18 mil. We'll put that there. And a 15 mil. That's there. There's a bunch of hose clamps. A stub Phillips head. 1/4 inch drive. 3/8 drive. Another crescent wrench. So this tool bag is full. This is one of those tool bags you can get at the Army surplus. That's where I got this one from. These are all 10 mil. Smaller than 10 mil. This is work related. So yeah, that can go over here. Bunch of little screwdrivers, because you never know. Pick. Some punches and a little chisel. 3/8 drive. And a crap load of sockets. Couple hold downs. More socket related stuff. Was that 10 mil? Yes, that's my 10 mil. I was looking for that. What's the size of this? That's 11 mil. And oh yeah, this is I don't know why I had that in there, but that's in there for doing porting. That a Torx bit. It looks like, oh no, got 2 Torx bits in there. Another stub Phillips head. This is like a little Phillips head extension. Cool. That's it. That's all the tools in my tool bag. And that's way more than I need. I also keep this in the back seat. It's a breaker bar with a, I think it's 17 mil. Pretty sure it's 17. Nope, 19. 19 mil deep well. That's for your lug nuts. 13 mil. Doesn't fit in the tool bag, of course, but everything else in here fits inside my tool bag. Okay, so I always lead with like my wrenches on the bottom, which I don't know if that's normal or not, but that's what I'm doing. All right, guys. Well, I got everything back in my tool bag. I added a couple things. I had some zip ties sitting over here, so I threw those in there. Strip, and then everything else is in here. I started off with my wrenches in the bottom, and then kind of just threw it all back in here. What I want to do is get some smaller bags like these ones I have over here that I have stuff stuffed in. You can pick up like a pack of 3 of those from Amazon or whatever, and I'm gonna kind of organize this bag a little bit better and make it a little bit more easier to get to things, because every time, it never fails, whenever I need to get something out of my tool bag, it's like boom. Yeah, that sucks. So that's it, guys. This thing is one of my favorite tools I have, especially because I don't have a temperature gauge on my car. So I'll go around and check head temperatures, and I'll check the valve covers and my exhaust, stuff like that, and just kind of like to find out what it's at after I run my engine for a while. And it's always good to kind of have as a reference. Like I told you guys, I did 69 degrees. I did a video on engine temperatures once I got the engine back together, and I'm going to be doing another one of those pretty soon to kind of find out where everything is running right now. So that is that. So guys, that is really going to do it today. Just wanted to kind of go over that tool bag's information with you guys. It is the last video for the year, and I hope everybody's had a great holidays and has some good plans for New Year's Eve. Got a sweetheart or something like that. Or you have my sweetheart, which is Goose. Yeah, it's my baby. Well, guys, that's going to do it for today. I just wanted to talk to you about my tool bag and the antique luggage in the back. I had quite a few questions about that in the comments below, so I thought that I would share it with you. I carry a lot of tools with me that probably aren't necessary, but hey, better safe than sorry, right? I know those VW Life guys over there in Austin, they carry like a spare car in their bus, or a spare bus in their bus, in parts. Tell me what you guys carry for tools in your tool bags down in the comments below. Hit me up with what your favorite tools are. I'm really curious. If you would like a sticker, a channel sticker from JWClassicVW, go ahead and join the Facebook group, and then hit me up with a PM with your address, and I'll go ahead and shoot you a sticker, man. There's no cost. I don't mind buying some channel stickers and send them out to you guys. Eventually, at some point, I'll have some sort of merchandise, but that's a ways down the road, and we're not there yet. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, you know I'm very responsive to anybody that has hit me up in the comments below or sent me an email. I just met a subscriber this weekend, yesterday actually, at one of our local car shows that we always have here at Kima, and that was awesome. It's so cool to see other people's cars. He has a 67, which is super cool. I want to get a 65 someday, because I had a 65 when I was in Italy, and I lost that car, and I've always been sentimental about it, and I'd love to get another one. But yeah, looking forward to 2020, guys. Lots to come, lots of changes in 2020 coming. I'll probably be moving into a house and have my own legit garage, and that would be super cool. The projects coming are going to be awesome. I can't wait to put disc brakes on Goose, because she needs them. Those drums get super hot when I'm driving around like a crazy person, which I drive her like I stole her, but I didn't steal her. She's mine. Thanks, guys. I really do appreciate it. Appreciate every single one of you guys out there. I know you guys are out there wrenching on your cars just like I'm wrenching on mine on the weekends, and that's kind of cool to think about. Looking forward to 2020. Looking forward to seeing you guys then. But until 2020 and the new year, this is Jason with JWClassicVW. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.